Have you ever wondered where the vibrant, colorful, and enchanting country of Vivid is located? It's a place that seems straight out of a fairy tale, with its lush landscapes, ancient cities, and friendly people. But the question remains, where exactly is Vivid? Let's embark on a journey to uncover the mystery of Vivid's location. We'll explore clues, solve riddles, and even consult with a few experts to pinpoint this extraordinary country on the world map. Before we dive into the investigation, let's gather some information about Vivid. This captivating land is known for its stunning natural beauty. From towering mountains to crystal-clear beaches, Vivid boasts breathtaking landscapes that will leave you in awe. Rich cultural heritage, with a history dating back centuries, Vivid offers a glimpse into a world of traditions, customs, and arts. Warm and welcoming people, the inhabitants of Vivid are renowned for their hospitality and friendliness, making visitors feel right at home. Now, let's get down to business. Our first clue comes from an ancient map discovered in a hidden library. It shows a symbol that closely resembles a sun rising over a crescent moon. This could indicate a location somewhere between the east and west. Our next lead comes from a local folklore tale. It mentions a mythical river that flows through Vivid, starting from a sacred mountain and ending in a vast ocean. This suggests that Vivid is situated near a major body of water. To narrow down our search, we've consulted with a renowned cartographer, Dr. Evelyn Harper. Based on the clues we've gathered, Dr. Harper believes that Vivid is likely located somewhere in the region of the world. This region is known for its diverse landscapes, rich cultural heritage, and proximity to both mountains and oceans. Our final clue comes from a secret society that has guarded the knowledge of Vivid's location for generations. They revealed that the country is hidden in a remote valley, surrounded by towering mountains and lush forests. The only way to reach Vivid is by following a hidden path that is known only to a select few. After months of searching and countless dead ends, we've finally found it. Vivid is located in the heart of the region, a hidden gem that has remained undiscovered for centuries. So, there you have it. The vibrant, colorful, and enchanting country of Vivid is situated in the region of the world. It's a place of wonder, beauty, and adventure, waiting to be explored by those who dare to venture off the beaten path. If you're ready to embark on a journey to Vivid, be sure to check out our upcoming travel guide. We'll provide you with all the information you need to plan your trip, from transportation and accommodations to must-see attractions and local customs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.